Boom City are the Kingston and St Andrew Masters League knockout champions after dethroning Harbourview 4-3 on penalties in the final at Winchester Park on Sunday. The teams ended 1-1 after full and extra time. It was Harbourview who took the lead through Gervon Brown after 21 minutes. However, Boom City from Seaview Gardens hit back through Rafe Wolf in the 59th minute to push the game into extra time. And Boom City held their nerves in the shootout to claim their first title in what was their third year in the competition.
It's a proud moment for me and the lads, because Harbourview was undefeated during the entire season, and for we come here in the final and defeat them, that's just destiny for us. And we have to just give my players them 110% for the work where them go out there and do.
But what we saw here was a lesson in resilience. Boom City has represented themselves extremely well. Us, from the management aspect of the league, we are very pleased with the outcome. The game was of excellent quality, exciting from start to end, and we are now looking forward to the league final next week for more fireworks.